How to do a poll on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to do a poll on Snapchat, what you simply need to do is launch the Snapchat application on a device. So make sure that you're logged into your account. Then over here you can just go to camera section and you can either record or just click a picture over here. Next, what you need to do is simply you can see different menus over here in the right side of the screen. So tap on the sticker icon over here at the top right corner of the screen. Then as you tap on the sticker icon, here you can see the option of poll over here at the very top of the screen. So tap on it and here you just need to mention a question over here. So make sure that you have a very short and spontaneous question over here. As you post the question, people will be able to answer you and give the answers in the poll over here. So tap on tick and then send it, or you can just add it in a story and then you'll be able to add a poll or do a poll on Snapchat. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.